Now, you played for Coach Tab. You also played for Coach Yeng Giao.
Mhm.
I have to ask this. I just have to. What is your ultimate pinagalitan ni Yeng Giao story?
For now, siguro wala pa naman, thankfully. I mean, nakatikim na ako ng mga murad, for sure, kasi there are things that he wants you to do in a game, and when you don't do it, you're definitely gonna hear. You're gonna hear about it from him. But the thing about Coach Yeng is like, you shouldn't take it personally. Like, that's just how he is. And after the game, it's nothing. Wala na sa kanya yun.
So what's something that not everyone knows about Coach Yeng? A funny story about him, or like something he likes that not everyone knows.
Coach Yeng, actually,
do you ever ask him how he takes care of his head, keeps it shiny?
no, I don't. No, I can't. I'm not. Baka murahin niya lang ulit ako. Hindi. But siguro yung what most people don't know about Coach Yeng is because they see him on the court. Sobrang bait ni Coach Yeng. As in, I think that's why all of his players, even his past players, mataas talaga yung tingin lang kay Coach Yeng. Kasi besides that image that he has on the court, sobrang bait niyang tao. As in, alam mo yun, like, you know that he cares about his players, and he talks to us not just about life, our careers, but life outside of basketball. Like, he talks to us about like investing, learning new skills, stuff like that. So, as a person, you appreciate those things, diba? Kasi parang, he's not just a basketball coach. He's kind of like, you know, a mentor or like a father figure, I guess you can say that.
Do you ever, or do you somewhat hold some bad sentiments towards Coach Bo because it was under his time in Ateneo that you were placed in Team B?
Bad sentiments.
You can be honest. It's okay.
Hindi naman bad sentiments. But of course, during that time na binabang ko, I felt bad. Not gonna lie, I felt bad. But then looking back, I guess it was just God's way of motivating me or planting that
desire.
Yeah, that desire na parang andun na ako eh. Pero parang hindi yun yung, that's not how I saw myself na bangko lang.
Yeah.
Diba? So, I guess because of my time nga with Coach Bo, it just added fuel to the fire. Alam mo yun? And then, yun nga, sakto, the following year or 2 years after, it was Coach Tab who came in. It was sort of like a fresh start. And si Coach Tab is a foreigner, so he doesn't really know like us. He doesn't know.
It's all brand new.
I think he only knew 30 and Aaron, but not because of basketball, even because of their dads.
Their dads, yeah. So was it extra sweet to beat Coach Bo's UP team in 2018?
Definitely. Tsaka pag UP talaga ang kalaban ko, like, may galit yung mindset ko.
Wait, why? How come? I'm curious.
Because Coach Bo is the
Because of Coach Bo, not because of UP.
Yeah. Oh, no.
Yeah,
not because of Coach Bo. Not because of UP. I have friends from UP, sina Jello Vito, sina Diego Dario, Jare Lim. But it was more of, because
when you saw Coach Bo,
parang,
did he talk to
hindi
you
ako pwedeng magpatalo dito.
Did he talk to you after the finals?
No. I think we just shook hands, but then, no.
That was it?
Yeah.
I'm on my prime, I'm feeling like Steph. I get my shot and I promise it's wet. Waited too long, but I told him I'm next. I need my